Migrating to Magento 2? Here are 5 essential tips to make your migration smooth, secure, and successful. Don't rush it. Migration isn't just copying and pasting data. Create a detailed plan. Define your scope, inventory your extensions, and set realistic timelines. Think strategy, not shortcuts. Clean house before you move. Remove unused products, outdated customer records, and unnecessary extensions. This reduces migration time and future bugs. Magento provides a free data migration tool to move critical data, like products, customers, orders, and configurations. Stick to it. It ensures data integrity and reduces manual errors. Rebuild, don't copy your theme. Magento 2 has a completely new architecture. Instead of patching an old theme, build or buy a Magento 2 compatible theme for better performance, mobile responsiveness, and security. Before going live, test everything: product pages, checkout flow, payment gateways, and extensions. Use staging environments and get feedback from real users. Bugs caught early save headaches later. Magento 2 is faster, more scalable, and packed with features. Migrate wisely, and it'll be worth every click.